Your English is not bad. You know many English words. But speaking still feels impossible. Today, that will finally change. Many students study for years. Still, they cannot speak clearly. They freeze during simple conversations. Their minds suddenly become empty. The problem is very simple. You learn English very passively. You watch videos every day, but you rarely use English. Today, I will show something powerful. This habit changed many students. It looks small at first, but results become very surprising. You do not need talent. You do not need expensive courses. You only need daily practice. Small actions create big changes. Speaking is like going gym. Your brain needs daily training. One day is never enough. Consistency changes your speaking ability. Many people fear making mistakes. They stay silent for years. This slowly kills speaking confidence. Fear becomes their daily habit. But fluent people act differently. They speak with many mistakes. They continue speaking every day. That is why they improve. Your brain learns through repetition. Repetition creates stronger language patterns. Patterns help automatic speaking grow. Fluent speaking becomes more natural. So what should you do? Start speaking every single day. Even 5 minutes helps greatly. Daily speaking builds real confidence. First, talk to yourself daily. Yes, it sounds very strange, but this method works perfectly. Many learners use this trick. Describe your room very simply. Describe your clothes every morning. Describe your food during lunch. Keep sentences short and easy. Say simple things very often. I am drinking coffee now. Today feels very cold outside. I need more English practice. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is daily speaking. Small speaking sessions build fluency. Perfect grammar can wait later. Another powerful habit is shadowing. This method improves speaking quickly. Many successful learners use shadowing. It trains your mouth naturally. Listen to short English clips. Pause after every small sentence. Repeat the sentence immediately afterward. Copy the speaker's voice carefully. Focus on speed and rhythm. Do not think too much. Just repeat the sounds quickly. Your speaking becomes smoother daily. At first, you feel uncomfortable. Your pronunciation may sound strange. That feeling is completely normal. Improvement starts with discomfort sometimes. Many learners quit too early. They expect instant perfect results. Language learning needs more patience. Real fluency takes daily effort. Another useful habit is reading. Reading improves your speaking automatically. You learn sentence patterns naturally. Your brain stores useful expressions. Read very easy English stories. Read simple dialogues every day. Read aloud with strong energy. Your mouth needs active practice. Speaking silently never helps much. Your mouth needs real movement. Your ears need repeated English. Active practice changes your brain. Listening is also very important. Listen during walking or resting. Listen before sleeping every night. English slowly enters your mind. Do not choose difficult content. Hard videos destroy your motivation. Start with very easy materials. Confidence grows much faster there. Children learn through easy repetition. They hear simple words constantly. Slowly, speaking becomes very natural. Adults can learn similarly too. Your daily environment also matters. Surround yourself with simple English. Change phone language to English. Watch short English videos daily. Stop translating every single sentence. Translation makes speaking very slow. Try thinking using easy English. This habit changes everything later. Start with tiny English thoughts. I feel tired today. This food smells very good. Tomorrow looks very busy. These small habits seem simple, but simple habits create fluency. Big success starts very small. Daily action always wins eventually. In the next part, things improve. I will show stronger techniques. Your speaking confidence will grow faster. Get ready for part 2. Your brain needs faster reactions. Speaking needs automatic sentence patterns. Thinking too much blocks your speech. Fast practice fixes this problem. Start using 1-minute challenges. Choose one easy daily topic. Speak without stopping during practice. Ignore mistakes during these exercises. Talk about your favorite movie. Talk about your daily routine. Talk about your future plans. Keep speaking very simply always. At first, your brain struggles. Words disappear very suddenly sometimes. Long pauses start appearing everywhere. But daily practice changes everything. Your brain slowly becomes faster. Sentences appear more naturally later. Speaking feels less stressful daily. Confidence starts growing little by little. Another important habit is imitation. Fluent speakers repeat useful patterns. Their brains memorize natural expressions. Repetition creates smoother speaking ability. Choose one easy English speaker. Listen very carefully every day. Repeat every small sentence immediately. Copy pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Do not only copy words, copy emotions and speaking energy. Natural rhythm sounds more fluent. Robotic speech sounds very unnatural. Many learners memorize difficult grammar, but real speaking feels different. Conversation needs automatic reactions mostly. Practice builds those automatic reactions. Listening also improves speaking greatly. Your ears need repeated exposure. Daily listening trains faster understanding. Faster understanding improves speaking confidence. Use easy podcasts for beginners. Use slow English story videos. Difficult content destroys motivation quickly. Easy content builds stronger consistency. Try active listening every day. Focus carefully during every sentence. Catch useful words and patterns. Attention improves learning much faster. Another powerful method is recording. Record your speaking every week. Listen carefully to your voice. Notice small improvements over time. At first, recordings feel strange. Many students dislike their voices, but recordings show real progress. Progress creates stronger daily motivation. Ask yourself simple life questions. Then answer using easy English. This improves speaking speed greatly. Conversation starts feeling more natural. What made me happy today? What should I improve tomorrow? What food do I like? Answer calmly and naturally daily. Stop searching perfect learning methods. Too many methods create confusion. Simple routines work much better. Repetition always beats complicated systems. Use 4 simple daily habits: speaking, listening, reading, and shadowing. Repeat these habits every day. Your English improves much faster. Some days feel very difficult. Your speaking may sound terrible. Your brain may feel exhausted. Continue practicing despite those feelings. Growth happens during difficult moments. Strong learners continue practicing daily. Fear slowly disappears through repetition. Confidence grows through repeated action. Think about learning football skills. Daily training improves body movements. Speaking ability works very similarly. Practice builds stronger language reflexes. Missing many days hurts progress. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small practice sessions still help greatly. Daily action always creates results. Another helpful habit is thinking. Think using simple English sentences. Stop translating every single idea. Translation slows speaking speed badly. Start with tiny English thoughts. Today feels very cold outside. I need more speaking practice. This coffee tastes really good. These small thoughts train fluency. Your brain adapts very slowly. English starts feeling more natural. Speaking becomes smoother every week. Children learn through constant repetition. They hear simple patterns daily. Slowly, speaking becomes automatic naturally. Adults can learn similarly too. Create small English environments daily. Change your phone language today. Watch short English videos often. Read simple stories before sleeping. Your environment changes your habits. Good habits improve English naturally. Small actions create powerful results. Consistency changes your future speaking. Many people quit too early. They expect perfect, fast fluency. Real improvement takes more patience. Daily effort creates long-term success. Keep practicing these habits daily. Your speaking will slowly transform. One day, conversations feel natural. That day starts from today. Most learners already know enough. Their problem is not vocabulary. Their problem is weak daily habits. Habits shape speaking ability strongly. Fluent people practice very differently. They use English every single day. English becomes part of life. Daily use creates natural fluency. You should also build routines. Routines remove lazy excuses quickly. Your brain loves repeated systems. Systems create long-term improvement naturally. Start every morning with English. Listen during breakfast every day. Read small texts before work. Speak simple sentences during walking. Night practice also helps greatly. Review simple words before sleeping. Shadow short clips every night. Sleep strengthens language memory strongly. Night practice also helps greatly. Review simple words before sleeping. Shadow short clips every night. Sleep strengthens language memory strongly. Many students study passively only. They watch videos without action. Passive learning feels very comfortable, but comfort slows speaking growth. Active practice changes everything faster. Speak aloud during every session. Repeat words with strong energy. Train your mouth constantly daily. Your mouth needs real movement. Speaking is also physical training. Muscles remember repeated sound patterns. Practice improves pronunciation little by little. Do not fear wrong pronunciation. Mistakes help your brain improve. Perfect pronunciation needs long practice. Daily speaking matters much more. Many fluent people make mistakes, but they continue speaking confidently. Confidence grows through repeated action. Silence never improves communication skills. Another strong habit is journaling. Write simple English sentences daily. Keep sentences very short always. Simple writing improves thinking speed. Write about daily experiences often. Write about feelings and plans. Write about goals and habits. English slowly feels more natural. Reading your writing aloud helps. Your eyes and ears connect. Your brain remembers patterns faster. Repetition strengthens language memory deeply. Vocabulary also needs smart practice. Forget huge word lists completely. Learn useful daily life words. Useful words improve speaking faster. Learn words through real context. Sentences teach better than lists. Context makes memory much stronger. Isolated words disappear very quickly. For example, learn full phrases. I am really tired today. Can you help me, please? I need more practice today. Your brain remembers patterns easier. Patterns build automatic speaking ability. Automatic speaking feels more fluent. Fluent speaking feels less stressful. Another important thing is patience. Language learning takes long time. Slow progress is completely normal. Small growth still means improvement. Some weeks feel very amazing. Other weeks feel completely terrible. Never stop during difficult periods. Consistency always beats temporary motivation. Motivation changes very often daily. Systems stay strong much longer. Strong systems create real discipline. Discipline creates fluent English eventually. Think about brushing your teeth. you never forget that habit. English practice should feel similar. Daily action must become automatic. Start with very small goals. 5 minutes still helps greatly. Tiny actions feel easier daily. Easy habits continue much longer. Big goals sometimes create pressure. Pressure destroys learning enjoyment quickly. Enjoyment helps consistency grow stronger. Happy learners practice much longer. Make English part of entertainment. Watch fun videos very often. Listen to interesting, simple podcasts. Enjoyable content improves consistency naturally. Do not study only textbooks. Real English exists everywhere today. Songs, stories, and videos help. Daily exposure changes your thinking. Another useful trick is curiosity. Stay curious during every lesson. Curious minds remember information better. Interest strengthens learning power greatly. Ask questions during listening practice. Why did speakers use that? Why does this sound natural? Curiosity improves understanding much faster. Step by step, things improve. Your listening becomes much clearer. Your speaking becomes less stressful. English starts feeling more comfortable. One day, something surprising happens. You speak without heavy translation. Sentences appear more automatically now. Your brain reacts much faster. That moment feels very powerful. You finally trust your English. Daily practice created this transformation. Keep going and never stop.